Hello students, good morning. Brahmanath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swastha. In last class, I told you about the introduction of computer and what is computer and how it works, etc. Now, I will ask you some questions to test your previous knowledge. Ready to answer me?
Yes.
Okay. First question. What is a computer? Good. Computer is an electronic machine. It can perform various functions as per your instruction. Okay. Next question. What is PC? All of you now. Good. The computer, when used for our own work, is called PC. PC stands for personal computer. Okay. Next question. How does a computer work? Good. Computer works on 3 steps. There are input, processing, output. Now let's see the features and characteristics of a computer. Computer विशेषत्व. Before starting the topic, I want to show you a video. Watch this properly.
Hi kiddo, I am Nano. I am back with you again. As you know, a computer is a machine. It helps you to do many things quickly, easily and better. Computer can help you to draw and color pictures, type and design letters and cards, do sums, watch cartoons, listen to songs, do homework, play games, store information, send emails to your friends.
You also know that the computer is not an ordinary machine. It is a smart machine. Okay, start. Features and characteristics of the computer. There are different features of a computer. Fast, speed, reliable, storage, accuracy, multi-purpose, automation, etc. Now discuss about details. First, speed. The computer works very fast and it is also known as a very fast device. It can perform many tasks in few seconds and provide results with great speed. The next important feature or characteristics of a computer, reliable. We can rely on the computer. Always once given a huge task, they complete the work without any error or mistakes. Okay? Next, important characteristics, storage. A computer can store large amount of data. It can store a lot of information. There is no fear of losing your data. The next, accuracy. The computer does not make any mistake. You can trust the results given by the computer. Okay. It performs calculations with high degree of accuracy. Next, multi-purpose. The computer can perform many tasks at a time. You can provide multiple sets of instructions to a computer. Okay. Next, automation. Computer is an automatic machine. It can perform its output activities automatically without human intervention. Wow, isn't great to have an electronic machine that follow our instructions? Yes, the electronic machines follows our instructions. Let's us find about the various tasks we can do using a computer or some uses of a computer. With the help of a computer, many tasks have become easier. Computers are used at many places. First, at home. Computers are used at home for playing games, listen to music, okay, watching movies, writing letters and performing calculations, etc. In school, computers are used in school by teachers for preparing lessons, teaching subjects and preparing report cards, and by students learning to the subjects, preparing projects, etc. Next, in office, computers are used in office for maintaining office records, typing and printing documents. Next, in hospital, computer used in hospital for records of patients and diagnosis of disease. Okay. Next, in bank, computers help in bank for deposit or withdrawal of money and different types of money transactions. All of now. Next, in shops. In stores, computers are used for making bills, etc. Next, in transport. Computer used in transport for to help of tickets in airline or roadways, etc. There are in different places we are use computer for different purposes. All of you know different features or characteristics of a computer, and computer are used in different places for different works. Okay, all have understood? Our lesson 1, introduction to computer, is completed. Now the next class we are discuss the question and answers of this lesson. Thank you.